Polling for the 90 assembly seats in the North Indian state of Haryana is underway. 52.4% voter turnout has been recorded till 3 p.m. local time. The voting will last till 6 p.m. local time to decide the fate of 1,031 candidates. The counting of votes will be held on October 8, with the election results being declared on the same day. All right, and DD India's Akanksha Saxena is joining us from Chandigarh to tell us what all is happening when it comes to Haryana elections. Hi, Akanksha. What has been the voter turnout so far? First things first.
Just now at around 3:30 p.m., Chief Secretary of Haryana TV, S.N. Prasad, just held a press conference and he just intimated us that 54.2% of voting has been done in Haryana by 3:30 p.m. and is expected that it might reach to 70%.
Okay.
With the kind of percentage which we see right now, he says that we are certain that the percentage might go beyond 70% in Haryana. As far as the polling is concerned, it is totally going peaceful and there are no untoward incidents which have been reported.
Okay.
And except 2-3 incidents which have been reported, but then so far it has not affected the polling. So we can say the polling is underway peacefully in Haryana. And as far as we talk about the urban and rural areas, so certainly the urban areas are lagging behind right now. But what is expected is this, that around 5 p.m. or 4 p.m., the constituencies, the districts like Gurgaon and Faridabad would come up, because right now we see very less percentage there. So that.
Definitely. Akanksha, can you tell us what is the general sentiment among voters, regarding the candidates and parties running in this election?
See, if I talk about the general sentiment, it depends on the constituency to constituency. And yes, everybody is coming up. And if you see the voter percentage, if we see the last year's last polling percentage and this time polling percentage, then certainly, there is a more turnout of voters this time. And that is certainly, this shows that people really want to vote and they really want to elect their representatives. And that is how they are coming out and exercising their
franchise,
vote, franchising. And then that is what is happening. So as far as now, we can see that people are turning out and they are voting. So certainly they are aware, they want to vote, and they are voting for the good government, good governance.
Definitely. Akanksha, very quickly, what are the key issues, or topics that seem to be influencing voters' decisions in this assembly poll?
See, most of the time, the key problems which any of the constituencies or any of the states is that unemployment is there, and there are issues with the farmers also. And these were some main issues, unemployment and education, better education and health services. And certainly because Haryana and Punjab are the agriculture, it has a lot of farmers and agricultural sector is there. So yes, farmer issues were one of the main things. And if we talk about the wrestlers also, there were some of the issues which were picked up, and certainly, unemployment is one of the things. And we have seen also that there were problems like drug addiction and everything. So these are the issues, which were taken up this time. And if we look at the manifestos of all the parties also, so they have emphasized on giving a better education and better employment to the youth of the state.
All right, we leave it there. Thank you so much, Akanksha, for your analysis.